In response to the formation of a new organization named the United Tribal Council Manipur, the United Naga Council, the leading body representing Nagas in Manipur, has issued a press statement to clarify its stance. The UNC expressed concern over the growing number of organizations with names such as United Tribal, All Manipur, Tribal Unity and Indigenous Tribal that claim to represent communities without proper grassroots structure or legitimate mandate. The UNC reiterated a message previously shared on June 16, 2023 through social media and print outlets, emphasizing that statements or narratives from such unrecognized bodies do not reflect the authentic voice or aspirations of the people. The Council stressed that these emerging groups lack legitimate representation and warned the public against accepting their claims of authority. The UNC statement aims to dispel confusion and reaffirm its position as the genuine apex body for the Naga community in the region.